टुडे इज Jan 5 एंड टाइम इज अराउंड 11 o'clock क्योंकि थोड़ा बाहर गया था. चलो जल्दी जल्दी खत्म करते हैं आज का थॉट्स एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन. सो हिट एंड रन हड़ताल केस में ना रूलिंग पार्टी ने एक नया अमेंडमेंट किया. वो है कि इफ यू आर रजिस्टर्ड इन एनी हिट एंड रन केस ऑन एनी हाईवे यू विल बी प्रेजेंट फॉर 10 years. So पहले 2 years होता था and now it is increased for 10 years. So to amplify that importance of death caused by hit and run, because थोड़ा research किया, number of death cases on Indian highways are over 1.68 lakhs. मतलब on an average there are 462 deaths per day. Another 43,000 were left injured. So वैसा अगर हो रहा है, that hit and run is a very important case to address and to take appropriate action to control this. So I think this is good, but इससे क्या हो रहा है कि द प्रॉब्लम आर बीन फेसिंग फॉर ट्रक ड्राइवर्स. उन लोगों को पता चला कि समथिंग रूल हैज बीन अमेंडेड. इट वाज नॉट अ कॉर्पोरेट डिसीजन दैट वन इंस्टीट्यूट केम फॉरवर्ड एंड इंट्रोड्यूस दैट बंद का वो सीन. दैट ओनली दैट इंडिविजुअल ट्रक ड्राइवर्स गॉट दैट नॉलेज एंड शेयर विद देयर फेलो फ्रेंड्स थ्रू व्हाट्सएप एंड सोशल मीडिया एंड डिसाइडेड टू स्टार्ट दैट बंद. एंड रीजन वाज और द ट्रक ड्राइविंग कैटेगरीज में देयर आर लेस एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस 10 years of prison the employment rate in the truck driving society will be getting reduced. So उसके कारण I think they banned the petrol trucks and there is no supplement of any petrol in areas. So उससे बहुत कुछ effects होता है कि okay the increase of petrol rates आएगा and commutation का वो charges बढ़ेगा या कम होगा. And this is okay to address that situation, but मुझे एक debate या confusion ये है कि why are they doing this protest? मतलब the truck drivers are too confident that we are going to be registered in that hit and run cases on highways. मेरा केस आएगा ही हाईवे में अगर मैं ड्राइव कर रहा हूँ तो एक ना एक हिट एंड रन केस तो होएगा ही and I am going to face the 10 years of imprisonment and that will affect my family. So they are that much confident that हम लोग के साथ ये होएगा ही. So इसके लिए तुम लोग ये हटा दो ये रूल. I mean, I don't have that total full picture, but this is what I learned from it. So मैं लिंक भी डालूंगा जिधर से मुझे पता चला वो सब भी. So this is kind of interesting that पहली बार ऐसा हो रहा है कि क्राइम को कम करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने एक रूल बनाया and people in the society are too confident that we are going to commit that crime. So please take back that rule. Please allow us to do some crimes. तो वैसा था. So that was my intake on that part. But उससे एक और पता चला, chain of thought आएगी. Okay, let's see how does a petrol pump work. I really thought that the petrol pump का एक स्टेशन है and स्टेशन में वो dispenser करके जिधर से पेट्रोल पाइप जाता है वो dispenser बोलते हैं उसको. And I always thought that it is connected to that ground level. कि पाइप एकदम ग्राउंड में ऐसा नीचे जाएगा. From there the petrol is being sucked out. वैसा kind of knowledge और immaturity था मेरा. So because of this protest, I invested some time to learn how petrol pump works. मतलब एक storage tank रहता है. So उसमें से एक डिस्पेंसर से कनेक्शन रहता है. वो स्टोरेज टैंक्स में भी पानी जाने का बहुत चांसेस है ड्यू टू द हेवी रेन्स. सो उसके कारण प्रॉब्लम ये होता था कि यू नेवर नो दैट हाउ मच पेट्रोल इज देयर इन द टैंक. सम मीटर है गॉज करके, अगर वो रखा तो यू विल नॉट गेट द परफेक्ट अमाउंट दैट इतना पेट्रोल है और इतना पानी है. वो एक प्रॉब्लम होता था. सो दैट्स द रीजन न्यू इन्वेंशन ऑफ सम meter scale is introduced to calculate the amount of petrol and amount of water. So it will give the factual data. तो मुझे और पेट्रोल लाना चाहिए और पेट्रोल I need to import from that. So development तो हुआ. So वैसा the chain of thought is like that. Political से एक news समझा and understanding the psychic mentality of people in the society and उससे मतलब एक पेट्रोल पंप कैसा चलता था. अभी मुझे एक नॉलेज है कि पेट्रोल पंप कैसा चलता है अभी आ गया. एंड द सेकंड थिंग आई रेड अबाउट इज एम्प्लॉयमेंट पोचिंग. सो लेट्स डाइसेक्ट द वर्ड पोचिंग. पोचिंग मतलब एन अनएथिकल वे टू take some valuable part from your opponent. So that is called poaching. So employment poaching matlab, so there is this man called Ravi Kumar. He is new elected CEO of Cognizant company and he hired many vice president from his rival companies, that is from Wipro and Infosys. You are hiring prominent people from your rivalry. So it is kind of a downfall for that rivalry and employment poaching is not unethical. It's all about survive the fittest. मतलब so एक strategy बनाया रवि कुमार ने, let's hire the great skilled people from the rivalry itself. We'll give some more money, comfort or leverage and we will develop our company. So it's a nice strategy. But इससे वही कि employee should be loyal to its company. So वो एक statement जो है वो it can get diluted or it can get polluted because of that and I see no problem in that कि and अगर creatively देखा जाए so I just observed one thing, that is introducing a new member in your family. When a new baby is born what are the changes you can observe in a family. मतलब there was a family of two, एक couple है, हाँ, they are leading a heavy busy life. Appetite मैंने observe किया वो है कि people are not giving that too much care about what I'm going to eat, but after a baby is born in your family, your appetite will change. The priority will be so high to take care of that baby that you will change your appetite. You will also try to eat some healthy food parallelly with your baby. तो सुबह सिर्फ मैगी और ब्रेड जैम का खा के जा रहा है, but because of that newborn baby you will also get introduced to some heavy breakfast. You will get introduced to a creative appetite, creative meals. So वो एक मैंने observe किया. Because of that newborn in your family, your meal in your थाली will change, will improve. And अगर एक और क्रिएटिव देखा जाए तो मैंने एक रील देखा था, इन जस्ट वो रील वैसा है. There's a cooking show, host बोलता है कि if you add some ham in this it will be another dish. So उसको डिफेंड करते हुए वो बोलता है कि if my grandma has some wheels she would have become a bike. एक इंटरेस्टिंग था वो फैक्ट भी कि this thing that you watch or that you consume might be repetitive, but it is wrong to compare every time. वैसा ही तो था वो भी. You are not that same. मुझे बस थोड़ा सा कमी है या थोड़ा सा ज्यादा है, डाइल्यूटेड आ जाएगा कि you'll not give that respect to that what एक इंडिविजुअलिटी का रेस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलता है बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रेपिटेटिवनेस. while when you are judging you should not go to comparative zone कि अगर when you are seeing a movie बहुत सारा चीज रेपिटेटिव रहता है, मतलब नया स्टोरीज लाना बहुत मुश्किल है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ग्रेट हिस्ट्री ऑफ आवर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. एक नया चीज लाना from that Gisa Pita is very hard. Most of the movies look same. When you say that okay this movie looks like that same old thing, 10 साल पुराना movie same ही लग रहा है, not changed that much. Is this good thing to address कि not respecting what you have done? What should a reviewer do while reviewing a film that when this movie looks too much familiar with that old movie? One has to respect the craft of this current movie that he is creating, or broad-mindedly say that okay this is a total rip-off scene of this movie, so you have not done that much creative. मुझे ये पॉइंट क्यों इंटरेस्टिंग लगा वो है कि that one person who is copying that scene from an old movie, he is developing himself कि he is also understanding or he is also gaining that knowledge that how this scene is shot or how to write this scene or how to write a story. So he'll also develop some new skills. So उससे तुझे फ्यूचर में नया ही मिलेगा. Some improvement will be seen by making that copy of that. क्योंकि मैं भी अगर पॉडकास्ट या कुछ ऐसा कंटेंट बना रहा हूँ, देयर विल बी सो मनी कंटेंट दैट इट लुक्स वेरी सिमिलर, बट उससे एक इम्प्रूवमेंट है कि आई लर्न how to edit a video, I learn how to construct a formula for presenting a podcast. So कुछ ना कुछ सीख तो मिलेगा. So will you respect that knowledge part in a creator while he's making that similar story, or and result देख के बोलेगा कि no it looks very similar, so you'll disrespect that creator. And मैंने ना एक क्रेजी डायलॉग लिखा था इन तेलुगु और I'll try to translate in ఇంగ్లీష్ అండ్ హిందీ ఆల్సో. సమాజంలో రాముణ్ణి చూడాలని నేను రావణాసుని వేషం ఎత్తాను, కొన్ని వేల సీతలను నేను పొట్టను పెట్టుకున్నాను, కానీ నా భయం ఏంటంటే ఆ వచ్చే రాముడు నాతో గెలవగలడా. ద ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ ఈస్ for the betterment of the society, to introduce a new Ram in the society, I have taken up the role of Ravan and I have disrespected many Sita in the society for the hope that one Ram will stand up and fight against me. But the fear is what if that Ram can't win against me. So वैसा एक dialogue आया था and it's a kind of a what if a antagonist role and there is a reason behind choosing that antagonist for the betterment of the society, but he's fearing that when no one will stand up and no one will question him or no one will beat him, what am I going to do? Will I continue this same role? क्योंकि I wish for a better Ram. If there is no Ram in the society, तो मुझे रावण ही रहना पड़ेगा क्या पूरा जिंदगी. So वैसा एक fear था. So this fear of an antagonist, तो ऐसा एक कुछ तो सा thought आया कि and another thought linking with that thought is you can't narrate a Ramayana without addressing the Ravan. To enhance or to give an impact for a good thing, you will have to take the help of a bad thing or a bad word. To promote a good thing, you will have to take the help of a bad word to attract people that oh कुछ तो हो रहा है and then you deliver a good thing. So that's it for today. तो आज ये सब thoughts आया था and I want to share these thoughts. एंड कल देखते, कल कुछ क्रिएटिव थॉट्स आया तो. थैंक यू.